Menon, Vijay Goyal saying that you're making excuses for your lack of governance in Delhi by constantly citing the LG as an excuse.
I think that today the federal structure of India is under the greatest threat that it has ever been since independence. It's not just about Delhi. Whether you look at Punjab, whether you look at West Bengal, whether you look at Tamil Nadu, whether you look at Puducherry, and even when there was a non-BJP Sarkar in Maharashtra, the governor has played a very partisan role. They have behaved as if they are agents of the central ruling party, not the central government. And that is something that the whole world has seen. I don't think that they can deny it. Also, what they cannot deny is that there's a lot of work that been done by the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi. That is why they were forced to copy our manifesto. They were forced to release the same list of promises that the Aam Aadmi Party was releasing, and they were forced to come on stage and say that yes, they will continue to do what we will do because we have done incredible work.
Isn't it a point that you did have lost a huge majority? There's a huge swing away from you. Okay, the difference now is just 3% margin, but it is a vote, a strong vote against you, against your performance in the second phase of your governance, isn't it?
Again, I would like to wait for a little while and see what the actual results are because this is running too close. It's running neck to neck.
Right now, a 9% swing, and all of that has gone to the BJP. It's not that the Congress is, it's a negative swing against the Aam Aadmi Party. 9%.
Where we are coming from, the kind of majority that we are coming from, the overwhelming majority, we cannot expect to repeat that same success. There will be a swing against us. The BJP has gained ground. They had a very, very strong but a very, very vitriolic campaign that they launched in Delhi. It was a campaign full of money and freebies. It may have worked, but we don't know yet. You yourself can see that all seats are running neck to neck. It's a matter of a few hundred votes, not even a few thousand votes on most seats.
Let me
so
just
I
ask
would
Mr.
still
Goyal,
like to wait.